Hello students, in last video we have discussed regarding sequence and series and a term of a GP and sum to n term of a GP. Now we shall discuss some questions regarding both the formulas. Find the 10th and nth term of a GP. Question is find the 10th and nth term of a GP which is given 5 comma 25 comma 125. This is the GP is given. तो इस जीपी की आपको 10th टर्म कैलकुलेट करनी है और nth टर्म ऑफ ए जीपी nth टर्म ऑफ ए जीपी इसको आप बोलते हो an. तो इट मीन्स A10 आपको कैलकुलेट करना है and the formula for which that is a r power 10 minus 1 a r power 9. Now the given sequence is 5 comma 25 comma 125 comma dash 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 and terms are there. So the first term a is 5 given in the question and the common ratio which is we will always say divide second term divided by first term, then you are getting like that, divide third term to first term, then the ratio is 5. This is the common ratio. So now A10 that is equivalent to the A r power 9, the value of A is 5 and r that is the 5 power 9, the result is 5 power 10. This is the first part. Now second part is nth term. Second part is nth term which is a that is a 5 and r that is also 5 power n minus 1 or simplified base the log a power x into a power y by the log exponent a power x plus y. By this law it will return n minus 1 plus 1 and the result is 5 power n, that is nth term. अब आप इससे किसी भी टर्म को डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हो. देयर आर टू क्वेश्चन, both the question we have solved nth term and the 10th term of a GP, both we have solved here. Next question, which term of the GP up to the sum n term is, which term of the GP up to the n term is this. चलो next question. लिखा हुआ है which term of the GP, which term of GP, then GP is given 2 8 32 up to n term, 2 8 32 up to n term, up to n term, this up to n term is 13 10 72, is 13 10 70. This is the question, which term of the GP up to n term is this, meaning the an, the last term which is given 13 10 72 and the a which is given 2 and the common ratio that is you will calculate, that is 4. Now we shall apply the formula of nth term of a GP which is expressed like that. Now an that is 13 10 72 which is equivalent to the a and to 4 power n minus 1. Is it clear? Now you shall factorize You shall factorize 8. This is 4 power 8. Now this 2 cancel by this, 6 ja, then 5 ja, then 5 ja, then 3 ja, then 6 ja equal 4 power n minus 1. Now you just split it. How much is the index of 4? Which is 4 power 8. It is equivalent. आप जस्ट इसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से फैक्टर कर लेंगे और you just observe that it is the multiple 8 times of 4 which express 4 power 8. So whenever the law of exponent indicates that x power m equal x power n, which implies m equal n. This is the law. According to this law, you express the given question that is equivalent to the 8 equal n minus 1 and n equal 9. The question is which term, कौन सी term इस GP की ये होगी, तो आपको बताना है 9th term is the of this GP will be 13 10 72. Is it clear? Right? Now come on next question. सभी स्टूडेंट्स को प्रॉपर अपना वर्क अब आपको 9.3 एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट भी करनी है. सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस वी आर डिस्कसिंग हियर, देयरफॉर यू जस्ट स्टार्ट योर वर्क. वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज देयर दैट आई विल टेक. फाइंड द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट n term and the sum of first 5 term of the geometric series. Sum of first n term. Find the sum of first 5 term. The first question is that, and sum of first 5 term of a geometric series. Geometric series. The series is given, that is 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 plus dash dash dash. Is it given? Right? Now according to the series, which is compared like that, compared to the series, so the A is 1 and the common ratio which is 2 by 3 divided by, and then you are getting 2 by 3, or the 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3, then you are getting 4 into 3 divided by 9 into 2. After simplification again you are getting 2 by 3, that is common ratio. Now clear? And the common ratio which is 2 by 3, which is always less than 1, so we shall apply the sum of n term of a GP, that is A. R is less than 1, तो क्या लिखोगे? 1 minus R power n upon 1 minus R. This is the formula if R is less than 1. ठीक है, there are two formula that we have discussed. If R is less than 1, then apply A 1 minus R power n upon 1 minus R. If R is greater than 1, then R power n minus 1 upon R minus 1. So we shall place the value of A and R into the given formula and calculate the, हमें calculate करना first 5 terms का sum, the n is 5 which is given, and the A that is given 1, and the R that we calculate 2 upon 3. Right? Now the formula Sn equal A 1 minus R power n over 1 minus R. So as 5 we will calculate A is 1 minus 2 upon 3 power n, and this is the bracket over 1 minus 2 by 3. Now simplified as 5, which is equivalent to the 1 into 1 minus 2 by 3 power n over 1 minus 2 by 3, or we can say 1 by 3. Is it clear? Now after simplification, और इन्होंने आपसे पूछा था 5 टर्म्स का सम. राइट है? सबको क्लियर है? हमने लिख दिया. अब n कितना था? 5 तो यहाँ n भी तो सब्स्टिट्यूट करना था ना 5. नाउ प्लेस द 5. 1 माइनस 2/3 ओवर 5 ओवर 1/3. सिंप्लीफाइड कर लोगे तो कितना आ जाएगा 1 माइनस 2 पावर 5 कितना होता है 32 और 3 पावर 5 कितना होता है 3 9 27 81 243 राइट divided by 1/3. Upside taking LCM after LCM you will get like that और मल्टीपल में कितना आ जाएगा 3 ओवर कितना आ जाएगा 243. सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे और आंसर देंगे तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करके आंसर कितना आ रहा है you will get the answer. This will cancel 81 times and there will be 1 and there 4 3 1 then 211 over 81. That is the sum of first 5 terms that we are getting out of solving. सबको क्लियर हो गया होगा क्वेश्चन समझ गए सम कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है is it clear n is 5 that is given in the question that we shall place here चाहो तो आप यहीं प्लेस कर देना n is 5 ठीक है. The next question is अगर आपको फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स का सम और उनकी प्रोडक्ट ऐसे केसेस अगर दिए जाते हैं सपोज आपको कहा जाता है सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स तो फर्स्ट सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स and the product of 3 terms product of 3 terms. There are two things sum of 3 terms and product of 3 terms. तो हमें वो 3 terms क्या करनी है लेट करनी है तो ये terms ऐसी लेट करना so that's easy for us. तो वो 3 terms आपको क्या लेट करनी है सपोज करो आप terms ऐसी लेट करते हैं कि आपने कहा एक टर्म हमने लेट की a/r फिर हमने कहा एक a है और एक क्या कहा हमने ar है. अब ऐसा करने से मुझे क्या हुआ क्या पहले तो अब चेक करेंगे टर्म्स क्या जीपी में है a ओवर ar रिजल्ट इज r ar over a result is r meaning common ratio is same that is r. So the given terms that is are in ap gp. So now why we take such terms reason of that कि whenever we will product these 3 terms and the r will eliminate that's why we can calculate the value of a and the value of a we will place into the sum of 3 terms. Value of a we will place here in 3 terms and it is given and it is also given so we will calculate the value of a. Understood the things why we should consider the terms 3 like that a by r a ar. Reason is that for eliminating the r by the in the product if we will use such condition then the r will be eliminated. Similarly from where we will get the value of a and the value of a we will place into the upside here then we calculate the value of r. Now we shall take one of the example that is given sum of first 3 term of a GP. Sum of first 3 term. Sum of first 3 term of a GP given is 13 over 12. That is given and their product is -1. Product of 3 term. Product of 3 term of a GP that is also given that is equal -1. So we shall consider the terms so we can solve the given question. Is it clear? Is there question is to find the common ratio and the terms. The question is find the common ratio and their terms. Right. Sum of first 3 term of a GP meaning 3 terms का sum GP में तो वो टर्म्स आपको लेट करनी है. लेट द टर्म्स आर, लेट द टर्म्स आर. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ऐसी टर्म आप कंसीडर करें, आप अपनी मर्जी से कंसीडर कर लें, पर आपको ध्यान रखना है जो टर्म दैट वी हैव कंसीडर्ड दैट शुड बी फॉलोड द सिस्टम ऑफ जीपी. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ लेट द टर्म्स आर. तो मैंने टर्म्स कंसीडर कर ली, ए बाई आर, नहीं, ए एंड ए आर. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज first sum of three terms, meaning a by r plus a plus ar, that is given 13/12, equation 1, and the product of three terms which is also given a by r, a ar, the result is, that is equivalent to the -1, that is equation 2. From equation 2 we shall calculate the equation 2 से क्या कैलकुलेट करोगे आप? स्मॉल a, and that a we will substitute into the equation 1 and calculate the value of r, and now common ratio we will get all the part of the terms that we shall calculate. Now come, तो हमने वहाँ लिखा हुआ है a over r plus a plus ar which is equivalent to 13/12, and the next part, that is equation 1, and the a over r into a into ar which is equivalent to -1, from where a cube, that is equivalent to the -1. When there is cube, then here we can write 3 which is also equivalent to the -1, so the a, which implies a equal -1. By the law of exponent we know that, then which implies a equal b. The law of exponent था, whenever the index are same, in case their bases are also equal, so a equal -1, that you calculate here. Clear? Now this -1 real root आपने consider किया है ये. This -1 we will substitute into the equation 1, and what we are getting? This -1 substitute here, -1 over r, -1 minus r, that is equivalent to 13/12, right? A substitute -1 -1 -1, ठीक है. Taking r as a LCM, -1 minus r square, और 12 का प्रोडक्ट इधर करना आपको, और 13 प्रोडक्ट इज r. Again you shall write -12 -12r square equal 13r. Now we shall shift it left to whole left into the right, then it becomes 25r plus 12 equals 0. Now the factor of 144, the factor of 144 is 12 and 12. There are the part, and we shall use the quadratic formula for solving it. Apply the quadratic formula for solving this. 12r square plus 25r plus 12, 144. इसकी मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट कर लें, जनरलाइज सॉल्व कर लें. आपको 25 लाना है, तो आप क्या करो, 144 को यहाँ लिखो, 2 72 2 36 2 18 2 9 3 3 3 1. फैक्टर करने हैं आपको. ये हो गया 9 2 जा 18, 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8, 18 और 8 26. चाहिए कितना? 25. नहीं हो रहा. ये कितना हुआ? 9 2 जा 18, 2 जा 36. नहीं करें, यहाँ 9 कर लें इसको, और ये कितना हो गया? 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 2 जा 16, और 9 कितना हो गया? 25. तो फैक्टर्स हो गए आपके पास. मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग आपने लगा ली, और आपके पास आ गया 12r स्क्वायर प्लस 16r प्लस 9r प्लस 12 इक्वल 0. ये आप यहाँ से क्या कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे? वैल्यू ऑफ r you just calculate. So student, I hope that now this exercise you shall start and type example 15 that we will discuss in our next class, and geometric mean, and the part remaining that we shall discuss, you just solve the question 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 up to 15 16 20 up to 17. You just solve these questions up to 17. We shall discuss in our next class. Thank you very much.